everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're watching She Dreams Hues and this is Devyani. So for this video, I'll be making a stylized fashion illustration and I'll be using only ballpoint pens and a highlighter or a basic sketch pen, you can say. And the technique that I'm going to use for this video, for this illustration, is basically scribbling. So there's no shading, there's no watercoloring, no rendering, just scribbling. And for the final touch, there'll be a little bit of sketch pens in it. So just follow me throughout the video. I hope you like the video, and if you really do like it, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and also do share it with your friends who might like this video. So thank you and keep on watching. So now, as you can see, I've just completed the sketch, and now I'm using a pink ballpoint pen to draw the body. Wherever there's shadow, I am going to scribble a little more there, and wherever I want to highlight the body, I'm going to leave spaces. Similarly, I'm going to work with the garment as well, but I'll use a different color for the garment, as you'll see later in the video. And now, as you can see, to intensify certain parts of the garments, I am using grey over the purple. It creates a little more depth and detailing to the garment. And yeah, that is it. Now I'm going to work with a nice yellow color brush pen. So that is it, guys. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to come back again and show some love. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.